If you're still dragging an old bucket around as you clean your floors, you're living in a bygone era. Instead of fussing with dirty water and wringing out your mop between passes, try one of these spray mops. They're perfect for light-duty cleanups and are ready when you are, with disposable and washable pads instead of messy heads to deal with. So if you're looking for one, we can help you with some of the best in the business. Check out our new video to get more details about the latest products. The FinnKerr Floor Kit offers convenience. 360-degree rotating mop head is a perfect mop to eliminate even the most stubborn dirt, oil stains, pigment in hard-to-reach corners of your home quickly. It does an excellent job of covering the area ahead of you on the floor. Built sturdily, but still light enough to carry up and down stairs without having to lug around a heavy, messy bucket. It has 3 thoughtful mop cleaning pads for your replacement, which are soft, water-absorbing, durable, and reusable. Also, it has an ergonomic hand grip control and rod length and makes floor cleaning easy and simple. The Swiffer WetJet Floor Spray Mop gives you a great clean on virtually any floor in your home. It comes with a unique dual nozzle sprayer. This all-in-one mopping system breaks up and dissolves tough messes for a powerful clean. Its cleaning solution loosens dirt and lifts it off the floor, pulling dirt and grime into the WetJet pad and locking it away for good. Also, it powers through up to 2 times more dried-on dirt and grime with less effort than a mop and bucket. It has Power Pad, which absorbs dirt and traps it deep in its core. You could even scrub the tough, dried-on spots or messes with an influential scrubbing strip. Besides, it is lightweight and easy to use with a powered sprayer and flexible swivel head. The Rubbermaid Reveal comes with a thick microfiber pad that is washable and reusable so that you never have to run to the store for refills when you're getting ready to clean. It features a non-scratch scrubbing pad to loosen stubborn spots. It has a non-battery operated spray trigger that allows you to dispense as much or as little solution as you need to clean your floor. Also, it is constructed with a durable yet lightweight material. Besides, it offers a refillable spray bottle that allows you to customize your clean. Just mix your favorite solution with water or use plain hot water. Another specialty is that it is safe to use on all hard floors, including vinyl, hardwood, laminate, and tile. In at first place, we have the Sanitaire 360-degree Professional. It offers 360-degree rotating mop head that can turn to maneuver around hard-to-reach spaces, edges, and corners. It features a one-touch bottle release for easy bottle removal. 600 milliliter refillable bottle allows you to choose your cleaning solution. It has a high-quality microfiber reusable pad that is safe for hardwood floors and is machine washable over 100 times. It provides a pull structure that is assembled by sturdy and thick aluminum with strong, durable, and safe. There are 4 holes in the trailer panel and you can fix any fabric such as old towels, t-shirts, etc. When you need to clean up dirt, dust, hair, and allergens, common inanimate allergens from cat and dog dander, and dust mite matter to keep your floors clean and free of debris. Thanks for watching. If you liked it, then hit the like button. If you didn't, then go ahead and use the comment section to let us know why, so that we can improve for our next video.